Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Michael here, WeBe Autos. Today we have a beautiful car. It's a 1967 Jaguar 420 Saloon. You don't see these a lot. I got the owner here of how long?
24 years.
24 years. He's going to tell us a little bit about it.
Bought it from the original owner. Lived in Brooklyn.
Wow.
The car came fully documented with all the service records.
Okay.
And I have a lot of extra original parts that came with the car. For instance, a full set of wire wheels, the same as those you see on the car.
Yeah, and those are true knockoffs, right?
True knockoffs, yes. And the car's been very dependable, enjoyable, a showstopper. I have the Authenticity from Jaguar of everything original on the car. Showed the car maybe 15 years ago. And at one very high points in the driver class at the Jaguar show out on Long Island.
Was that in Glen Cove?
It was. I think it was Glen Cove or Muttontown Preserve. I don't remember exactly.
I've been there several times. It's a good event. I can't get over the fitment, the door panels, the hood, everything just lines up beautifully.
The car is lined up. You could open the door.
Yeah.
And if you want to close the door, just let go, and it'll go right onto the latches
beautiful.
on all four doors.
Yeah.
The car has been garaged since I have it. A lot of everything, when I bought the car, the person, I have the receipts for it. So I have the car 24 years, and May I put in 15,000 miles on the car in 24 years. And the whole car was rebuilt mechanically, and I have the receipts for it. All the brakes, the engine, everything on the car was rebuilt. It has stainless steel mufflers, and
pretty cool.
I don't know what else to
also
tell you.
Really air conditioning.
Rear air conditioning.
And the sunroof.
Yes, and the sunroof. I have the paperwork that was installed when it came into this country by Jaguar in Manhattan.
Yeah, that's a dealer option, right?
Yes, and it was authorized by them for the installation.
Cool. Love the interior. Absolutely gorgeous. Jeez.
Roger, is there anything else?
Showing, I think, to 102,056 miles. This is all original wood in here too, right?
Everything in the interior is original.
Yeah, so cool. Just an upgraded sound system. Do you have the original radio too?
That I don't have. I got that the way it was as you see it.
That's cool, man. Love all this wood in here, all the trim.
Yeah, everything there is all original.
Around the windows and everything. The felt on the roof is
You don't see
fantastic.
these vent window things anymore.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
And even on the rear doors, it has a very unusual setup with a vent window.
Ooh, that's a big vent window.
See.
Wow, how neat.
And the windows are fully...
That's pretty cool. It smells like rich leather inside too, which is pretty cool. Can you pop the hood for us?
Sure.
Got a matching spare and all the original tools back there.
Love it. Oh, I'm saying, how are you doing? All right, good.
Want to fire it up?
Yeah.
4.2 liter. Sounds great. Just purrs, huh? Very rare to see the air conditioning too, huh?
That's rear action that they bought with the car.
Wide, huh? And it's got 102,000 miles, right?
Yes, 102 is exactly right. It was the restoration on all the mechanics was done at, I think it was 75,000 miles. So it has really about 27,000 miles on the complete mechanical restoration.
That's great. Love the original seat belts too. That's so cool. You guys could take a look at our website too. We have photographs of all the documentation that he's talking about
Yes,
there.
fine, we'll do that.
Well guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. We do offer financing and worldwide shipping. And thank you so much for showing us your Jaguar
You're
today.
very welcome, Mike. Thank you.
You're welcome.